So as you guys know by now, the Pixel 4 uses a 90 Hz refresh rate screen, and it's great. What's not so great is that Google software can actually downclock it to 60 Hz depending on the situation. What some Reddit users have actually found is that when you fall below 75% brightness, the phone automatically drops to 60 Hz. And it doesn't show up that well on camera, but when you're using the phone, you'll definitely notice it. Luckily, there is a way to force 90 Hz at all times, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Go ahead and go into your settings. We're going to go down into About Phone and tap Build Number maybe 5 or 6 times until it says you are a developer. For me, it already says you're already a developer because I've done this. Once you've done that and you're a developer, go back. Go ahead into System, Advanced. We're going to go into Developer Options, and we're going to scroll down until we find the option we're looking for, Force 90 Hz refresh rate. Go ahead and turn this on. And now you're going to have 90 Hz at all times, at all brightness levels. It's probably going to affect your battery a great deal, but I think for a lot of people it might be worth it, just because going from 90 Hz down to 60 Hz is not so great. And it's as simple as that. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and it's useful. If it is, bite that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.